Hi there, here is a tutorial on how to make a shadow in AlightMotion. Step 1. Importing the assets. It doesn't really matter on what assets you're importing, as long as it's two-dimensional then you're good. For my asset I'm using a tree that I drew in one of my videos. Step 2. Making the actual shadow. Duplicate the object that you're making a shadow of. Then go to Effects and click on or search Solid Color. Change the color to black and lower the opacity to 50%. Then move your asset a little to the left or right and voila! You might also want to lower the size of it as well. Step 3. Special touches. In case your shadow doesn't look good, depending on your asset, go to Effects and click on or search Scale Assist. Make sure you're using the X and -Y setting and change it positive 150. You might also want to move it around to find a perfect place for it. I hope you guys found this tutorial easy to follow along with. I will be answering as many questions as I can in the comment section. Hope you guys have a fantastic day and keep animating and drawing. Don't even think about using AI.